Did you know there are snacks with more protein than an egg? This isn't just a fun trivia question, it's a peek into the fascinating world of nutrition where things aren't always as they seem. Protein, the building block of our bodies, the fuel for our muscles, is found in abundance in places we often overlook. So are you ready to challenge the conventional and explore these protein powerhouses disguised as everyday snacks? Let's dive into the world of protein-rich snacks and see what they are. Protein plays a crucial role in our bodies, and it's not just found in eggs or meat. Now, let's dive into the world of protein. You see, protein is like the building block of our bodies, helping in the growth and repair of tissues. It's essential for producing enzymes and hormones, and it plays a key role in strengthening our immune system. But why are we talking about protein-rich snacks? Well, incorporating protein into your snacks can help you feel fuller for longer, manage your weight, and maintain your muscle mass. And the best part, you don't have to rely solely on meat or eggs for your protein intake. There are numerous protein-rich snacks out there, from dairy products, nuts, and seeds, to certain fruits and vegetables. A world of delicious, nutritious, protein-packed snacks is out there, just waiting to be explored. So what are these protein-packed snacks? Let's find out. First on the list is Greek yogurt. This creamy delight, known for its tangy taste, is a protein powerhouse. Greek yogurt is a type of yogurt that's been strained to remove the whey, resulting in a thicker, creamier consistency and a higher protein content compared to regular yogurt. A single cup of Greek yogurt can offer up to twice the protein of an egg, making it an excellent choice for those looking to boost their protein intake. But the benefits of Greek yogurt go beyond just protein. It's also rich in probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health, and it's a good source of calcium, which is essential for healthy bones and teeth. Furthermore, Greek yogurt is incredibly versatile. It can be enjoyed on its own, mixed with fruits or granola for breakfast, or used as a base for dips and dressings. So, the next time you're in need of a protein-rich snack, remember, not only is Greek yogurt delicious, but it's also a fantastic source of protein. Next up, we have almonds. These tiny, crunchy delights are more than just a snack. They're a protein powerhouse. Every ounce of almonds contains 6 grams of protein, which is more than half the protein found in an egg. But the goodness doesn't stop there. Almonds are grown on trees in a fascinating process that involves honeybees for pollination. When harvested, these seeds, yes, almonds are technically seeds, not nuts, are ready to offer their nutritious bounty. Besides protein, almonds are rich in heart-healthy fats, fiber, and vitamin E. They serve as an excellent source of antioxidants, which can help fight off harmful inflammation and aging. Regular consumption of almonds can support weight loss, given their ability to promote feelings of fullness. They can also help control blood sugar levels, making them a great snack for those managing diabetes. So next time you're looking for a protein-rich snack, remember, almonds are not just tasty, they're also packed with protein. Third on our list is cottage cheese. This humble dairy product is an unsung hero when it comes to protein content. It's made by adding an acid to cow's milk, which causes the milk proteins to clump together and form curds. The curds are then drained, but not pressed, so some whey remains, and the individual curds remain loose. The result? A creamy, tangy cheese that's packed with protein. In fact, a single cup of cottage cheese can contain as much as 28 grams of protein. That's more than half the recommended daily intake for an average adult. But the benefits of cottage cheese go beyond its protein content. It's also a good source of vitamins and minerals like calcium, vitamin B12, and phosphorus. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it on its own, mix it with fruits or nuts, or even add it to salads and baked goods. Cottage cheese is a protein powerhouse and a great addition to your diet. Peanut butter is another excellent source of protein. This humble yet versatile spread, which we often associate with childhood lunches, packs a punch when it comes to protein content. A 2-tablespoon serving of peanut butter contains about 8 grams of protein, nearly equal to the protein in an egg. Peanut butter is made by roasting and grinding peanuts into a paste. Some brands add a touch of salt, sugar, or oil for flavor, but the essence remains the same: pure, protein-rich peanuts. But the benefits of peanut butter extend beyond protein. It's also a fantastic source of healthy fats and dietary fiber, contributing to satiety and aiding in digestion. Plus, it's rich in antioxidants and nutrients like magnesium, potassium, and vitamin E. You can enjoy peanut butter in so many ways. Spread it on whole grain bread, blend it into smoothies, or simply eat it straight from the jar with a spoon. Remember though, moderation is key due to its high calorie content. Peanut butter is not just for sandwiches, it's also a great source of protein. Tofu is next on our protein-rich snack list. This humble bean curd, often overlooked, is a powerhouse of nutrition, especially when it comes to protein content. Originating from China over 2,000 years ago, tofu is made by curdling fresh soya milk, pressing it into a solid block, and then cooling it, similar in many ways to traditional cheese making. Each half-cup serving of tofu can contain up to 10 grams of protein. That's more than an egg. But the benefits of tofu don't stop at protein. It's also a fantastic source of amino acids, iron, and calcium. Plus, it can be a great choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight, as it's low in calories and fat. Tofu's mild flavor and texture make it incredibly versatile. You can stir-fry it, bake it, scramble it, or even blend it into smoothies. So whether you're a seasoned tofu lover or a curious newbie, there are countless ways to enjoy this protein-rich snack. Tofu is not only versatile, but it's also packed with protein. Edamame is another protein-rich snack you should consider. These vibrant green soybeans, harvested before they fully ripen, are a protein powerhouse. Just 1 cup of shelled edamame packs around 18 grams of protein, more than the protein content of 2 large eggs. But where does edamame come from? Well, it's grown all over the world, but it's particularly popular in East Asia, where it's a staple in many dishes. These beans are usually boiled or steamed in their pods and can be eaten straight or added to salads, stews, and stir-fries. In addition to their high protein content, edamame beans are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They're a great source of vitamin K, which supports bone health, and folate, essential for DNA synthesis. They also pack a punch with iron, essential for oxygen transport in the body. So, if you're looking for a snack that's not just tasty but also nutritionally balanced, edamame is a fantastic choice. Edamame is not just a fun snack, it's also loaded with protein. Next on our list is lentils. These humble legumes pack quite a punch when it comes to protein. Just 1 cup of cooked lentils contains about 18 grams of protein, more than 2 eggs. But that's not all. Lentils are also rich in fiber, iron, and potassium, making them a well-rounded choice for a healthy snack. Lentils grow in pods, and while they may be small, they're mighty. They're a staple in many cuisines around the world, and for good reason. These tiny powerhouses are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to stews and everything in between. In addition to their impressive protein content, lentils also have numerous health benefits. They can help reduce blood sugar levels, promote heart health, and even aid in weight loss. So next time you're looking for a protein-packed snack, don't forget about lentils. Lentils are not just for soup. They're also a great source of protein. Quinoa, a powerful protein-packed grain, is next on our list. Originating from the Andean region of South America, where it has been cultivated for thousands of years, quinoa is more than just a trendy superfood. With its unique nutritional profile, quinoa is considered a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids our bodies require. A cup of cooked quinoa provides about 8 grams of protein, making it an excellent choice for those seeking plant-based protein sources. But the benefits of quinoa don't stop there. This grain is also rich in fiber, iron, magnesium, and manganese, all of which contribute to overall health and well-being. Quinoa's mild, nutty flavor and fluffy texture make it a versatile ingredient in a variety of dishes, from salads and soups to breakfast bowls and baked goods. So whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, quinoa is an easy and delicious way to up your protein intake. Quinoa is not just versatile, it's also packed with protein. Last but not least, we have chickpeas. Also known as garbanzo beans, chickpeas pack a punch when it comes to protein content. For every cup, you're looking at around 15 grams of protein, which is more than 2 whole eggs. These round beige nuggets are grown in pods on a plant known as Cicer arietinum, which thrives in subtropical and tropical climates. But they're not just a protein powerhouse. Chickpeas are also rich in fiber and several essential nutrients, including folate, iron, and phosphorus. Incorporating chickpeas into your diet can have numerous benefits. They can help manage weight by promoting feelings of fullness, support blood sugar control, and even contribute to heart health. Their versatility means they can be added to salads, soups, and stews, roasted as a crunchy snack, or ground into flour for baking. So next time you're reaching for a protein-rich snack, don't overlook these little gems. Chickpeas are not just for hummus, they're also a great source of protein. So there you have it, 9 snacks with more protein than an egg. We've journeyed through the creamy goodness of Greek yogurt, the crunchy satisfaction of almonds, and the homely comfort of cottage cheese. We've spread the love with peanut butter, experienced the versatility of tofu, and snacked on the go with edamame. We've cooked up a storm with lentils, made magic with quinoa, and fallen for the charm of chickpeas. Each of these snacks packs a powerful protein punch, making them fantastic alternatives or additions to more traditional protein sources. Including protein-rich foods in your diet is vital for muscle growth, tissue repair, and overall health. It's about more than just eggs and meat. The world of protein is wide and varied, filled with delicious and nutritious possibilities. Remember, protein is essential for your body, and it's not just found in eggs or meat. So next time you're looking for a protein-packed snack, consider one of these options.